Hi, I'm Chloe Swift, Global Educator for GHD, and today I'm here to share with you the ultimate staycation GHD hair. So for my look today, I'm going to be using my two GHD products, GHD Rehab Split End Therapy, which seals split ends for up to 10 washes, and then GHD Bodyguard Heat Protection Spray, and I'll be showing you how to use both in your hair. So to use GHD Rehab, apply a walnut size amount in the palm of your hand, rub into the palms of your hands, and then we apply into damp hair with a twisted saturation technique. And it has to be blow dried in and then sealed in with the heat of your stylers in order for it to seal split ends for up to 10 washes. Next, I'm just going to brush all of my hair through with the GHD paddle brush. Then, using my GHD Helios hairdryer, I'm going to dry the product into the hair. You can see just how smooth and glossy it's made my hair. So we want to apply GHD Bodyguard Heat Protection Spray in misted layers throughout the hair. So I mist that through the hair, and then again give it a good brush with my paddle brush. So now we're going to wave our hair with the GHD Platinum Plus styler. So I'm going to section my hair off from the bottom. So we want our sections to be about 2 inches thick. Take this section here and split this into 2. The technique we're going to be doing today is a water wave technique. So I'm going to place the styler horizontally into the roots and then turn half a turn down, then half a turn up, as you also glide down the hair for a couple of inches. And then the key with this technique, you always want to make sure it just finishes on a straight end. So now with my bangs at the front, I still want the same technique running through. I'm going to come in first of all and do my first turn upwards, about where my eyebrow is, down, and then finish on a bit of a straight there. Coming onto my other side, and I'm going to repeat the exact same technique and the same sectioning, but this time I just want to swap my hands. So now I'm going to hold it in my left hand just to make sure that I have complete symmetry on both sides. Okay, so now all my hair is waved, and for my staycation look, I really want to go more down a summery route. We're going to have a small micro braid going through the hair, and then using my GHD Perfect Ending Hairspray, going to spray a small amount onto my fingers and just apply to the end of the hair there. So now I'm just going to repeat the same on the other side. So braids in. Now I just need to slightly dress out my waves. To do that, I'm misting my GHD Perfect Ending Hairspray onto my GHD Detangling Comb. This will just help to break up the waves, make them look super natural and super soft, but you won't ever get that heavy coating of hairspray. So now to really finish my look and give me that really fun summery feel, I'm going to add a headscarf, which is really on trend at the moment and super summery. Folded my scarf into half. I'm going to flip that over my hair, place it onto my forehead, and then tie and secure at the back. So there we go, my ultimate, really fun, really summery and on-trend summer staycation look using GHD Rehab, GHD Bodyguard, and GHD Helios and GHD Platinum Plus. Let me know in the comments if you love this look, if you're going to be creating this look, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.